Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Sidetone for your headphones Philips. You have to start by open Philips headphones application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the app, then you will see the same menu. Right here you need to go to the settings at the right bottom and click at the call line. Right here we have Sidetone. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. If you want to disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And then click Done. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!